Hello, today is the big day because in 1 hour they arrive from HBO to footage for zero waste food. I'm very nervous. All the time when somebody visit me I'm nervous, but now I'm more nervous than normal because it's constant footage and yeah, I need to show what I'm doing here. I want to speak with them and it will be very nice, but I'm very nervous. Cheers.
¿No?
Claro, intentar que lo que tal no parezca
Vale.
así como...
Ok. ¿Hacemos la claquetuca?
Sí, a ver si quieres lo acompaño un poquito y
Claro.
aquí te acompaño yo, tiqui, 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 tiqui. Aquí te quedas enseñando la casa.
Mira,
la vuelta.
Sasha.
Mira,
Hi.
curioso.
Hi.
Y luego veas a cámara.
Es que te lo
Dicen que no me voy a buscar.
Tu prima y yo busco. Tu prima y yo busco. Tu prima,
Cuidadín con la piedra, Gaby.
Yo busco a tu prima.
llama a tu prima. La prima se lo toma. Vale, yo estoy grabando. Una chacota. Diego piensa.
A Diego no le ha dado tiempo a pensar porque cuando para a pensar no piensa. Se queda mirando el cielo.
Estabas meditando, ¿no?
Estabilizador. ¿Cómo lo veis?
Well, luckily not everyone who's buying land is turning them into monocultures. There are some projects, like the one I'm going to meet right now, who are turning the Transylvanian landscape back to its There are some projects, like the one I'm going to meet right now, who are turning the Transylvanian landscape back to its ancient look and are farming with biodiversity and are recovering these in the
¿Qué te llama?
No, sí, simplemente me trabo. ¿Qué está diciendo? Vale. There are some projects, like the one I'm going to meet right now, who are turning the Transylvanian landscape back to its ancient look and are farming with biodiversity and are building a sustainable way of living in this beautiful landscape. I'm going to meet Alex right now. Acá, no habéis cortado. Vale. ¿Ahí? ¿Dónde me he quedado? ¿Al final?
En la entrada de la a mitad del camino.
Vale. Well, luckily not everyone who's buying land in Transylvania is turning it into monocultures. There are projects, like the one I'm going to meet right now, who are turning the landscape back to its ancient look, and they're farming with biodiversity, and they're building new sustainable ways of living in this beautiful landscape. I'm going to meet Alex.
But my solution is something with the one here. Yeah, start from there. From there, no? From down? But yes,
well,
explicárselo bien.
I think that, yeah, what we're going to do is like, we're going to shoot Diego how he arrives. So we'll be talking to the camera, say like he's going to meet you, and that. If he'll find you inside the house, because I think it's just to make it different. If we usually do it like the meetings outside the house, but yeah, there's also like kind of your friends, you can be like dealing with fans, and then like he comes in, and you just start explaining about the life, the house, and everything, yeah. And then afterwards, we can just have a look in the house inside, just to show it, and then we can go to this other house, and from there you explain everything from outside here. Okay? So everything that is down, yeah, yeah, because we're doing.
Yes.
Because you can see everything, and like that we can do, and then afterwards we're going to do some beauty shots of everything, and like that, okay?
And then edit on that.
They was go away from HBO. It was very nice, very nice.